Hey, hi, hello everyone. Please let me know. Am I audible? Am I visible? We are live now. Please let me know, guys, in the chat box. Am I audible? Am I visible? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me properly? So we'll start in a minute. Just let me get a confirmation that am I audible or am I visible? Okay, let us start, guys, now. Uh, so we are continuing our series, but before starting today's session, I want all of you to do what? I want all of you to like the stream, to subscribe to our channel, and to share this stream with all of your peers and all of those who are preparing for CAT. Why? Because our channel is your complete MBA preparation destination. Why? Because what will you get here? You will get all the quant videos, all concepts and marathons about quant, all the questions and each and everything. Similarly, you will get DILR preparation tips, in-depth theory of DILR sets, and so many marathons and so many sets for DILR. And similarly, you will get VARC. Also, there will be so many review sessions, ask me anything sessions with Saili ma'am and Maruti sir. Every Saturday, ma'am and sir are doing marathon, and we are also continuing our LRDI series. We are solving daily LRDI set. So, as I had told in my last session, all of you, when you solve this set, please write down in the chat box or please write down in the comment box that what is your streak of this series. For example, this is your third set, so write down set 3 done today. By this, what will happen? You will also get a motivation by seeing that comment that okay, I'm following it daily, I'm doing it daily. Meanwhile, whatever doubt you guys have, you can keep them in the chat box. I will be going through those doubts as well. Hi Sarthak, we actually solve one set daily here, okay? Yeah, Anjali, thanks. Keep practicing, keep doing daily. Yeah, Jay, basically we will solving each like one set daily, and with that what we will do, we will learn how to tackle different types of sets. Sets are cat level sets, okay? Okay guys, let us start now. I will post the set and yeah, you guys can start. I will be again scrolling a bit so that you can see all of the part of the set. So let us start now. So this is our set, guys. After 2 minutes, what I will do is that I will scroll the part so that you can see it completely. And if you want to see this part again, you can just rewind a bit, go to that particular part and look at it. Okay. Similarly, I will do it for the questions as well. Dhaira is asking, sir, for starting sectional test, which topic should be cleared? Basically, it depends on subject to subject. If you are, good with reading and you are, solving one RC daily, you can solve VARC sectional test. For DILR, basically you have to keep practicing one set daily, one or two sets daily, so that all of the type of sets go through from your eyes, and so that you will be able to identify a particular type of sets. But mainly I will say table with missing value sets, arrangement based sets. These sets are they are commonly found in each DILR sectional test, so you can target those as well. For quant, if your arithmetic and algebra is complete, you can go forward and give the sectional tests. Okay, Dhairya? Yes, Jay, I already told you. Basically, in this series, what we were doing is that every day we are solving one set here. Okay, and the explanation will be from very much basic. We will learn each and every approach, how we see the set, how we read the set, and how we approach it. Okay, so it will be from basic to advanced. And others, if you guys have any doubt, you can put them in the chat box. If they are regarding this set or regarding your preparation, regarding any subject, so you can ask them in the chat box. Okay guys, I'm scrolling it. If you want to look at this part, you can just rewind a bit and go to that particular part. Okay, this is the remaining part of the set. Okay guys, again I am asking those who are watching the stream, please like this stream, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and share it with your friends as well, so that they can also come and solve this set. Also, those who have got the answer, please put it in the chat box, and those who put the correct answer in the chat box will get a shout out. Please put your answers in the chat box, guys, if you have got. Also, after solving, please let me know how was this set, like what was the difficulty level for you? Was it moderate, easy, or difficult for you? Okay. And also those who are watching the stream, don't forget to like this stream. Okay, physics nerd is asking, sir, what do we need for profile building as a science fresher, as we don't get direct internships and jobs? Uh, that's totally fine, physics nerd. Basically, try to first thing is that try to find a job, because work experience will give you most of the points. Okay, internships points are not counted. Okay, they are fine, but try to find a job so that you will get a work experience points. Along with that, you can do the good certifications like CFA, which will help you in your if you have a finance goal or something like that. Also, if you are studying currently, if you are in the last year, try to increase your GPA or your CGPA things. Okay. Anjali is asking, I always get stuck in how to make format table through questions. Mohak, I have already scrolled basically. You can just rewind a bit if you want to see a part before this. Okay. That's totally fine, Anjali. We will go forward and look at how to solve this set. Okay. Meanwhile, if you guys have any doubts, put them in the chat box. After solving the set, I will answer all of those. Now, I guess time is over. So let us go forward and solve the set. Okay. Let's first read what this set is trying to say. It says 4 players. We will say them by their initial names. Okay. 4 players A, B, C and D played a game called Attack or Defend. The game consisted of 3 rounds. In each round, 2 matches were played. So if there are 3 rounds and in each round 2 matches are being played, so how many matches will be there? There will be total of 6 matches. Okay. So that every player played exactly 1 match per round. Okay. Each player played against every other player exactly once across 3 rounds. In every match, the 2 competing players had to simultaneously choose one of these 2 strategies, attack or defend, and points were awarded on the following combination. Okay, we will go to that combination, but let us first understand what it is trying to say. It is saying there are 3 rounds. Let us say round 1 is there, round 2 is there, and round 3 is there. Okay, then there are 2 matches. Let us say 1 and 2. And what is happening there? In each round, 2 matches were played simultaneously, so that every player played exactly 1 match per round. It means, for example, if A and B plays match 1, the second match will be played between whom? It will be played between C and D. A cannot play in both the matches. Why? Each player is playing 1 match per round. Also, there will be total 6 matches. How? Because 2 matches per round, so 6 matches in 3 rounds. And also every player is playing against every other player exactly once. So anyway, if there are 4 players and each player is playing exactly once against every player, then total number of matches will be what? 4C2, which is also 6. So we can confirm that, okay, these are the matches. Now let us find out. We have A, B, C and D. What can be the matches? Matches can be A and B, then A and C, then A and D, then I can have B and C, I can have B and D, and then I can have C and D. So these are my 6 matches. Why? Because every player is playing against every other player exactly once. Okay, so let us go forward and first form a table for this, like who is playing which match and in which round. So let us go forward first and form a table. Okay, so I have round 1, then I have round 2, and I have round 3. So I will write in round 1, one match will be here, another match will be here. Similarly, in round 2, there will be 2 matches, round 3, there will be 2 matches. Now let us go forward and see what are the points, how are points awarded. Okay, if both players choose attack, both would lose 1 point. So there are 2 players in the match. If both of them choose to attack, both would lose 1 point. It means what? If attack and attack is there, so if attack is there against an attack, then both of them will get what? Both of them will get -1 points. Minus is for losing, so they will lose 1 point. Then if both players choose to defend, both would gain 1 point. So if both players choose to defend, so this is defend and defend, so both would get 1 point. So +1 and +1. Then if one player choose to attack and other choose to defend, the one choosing attack would gain 3 points while the other would lose 2 points. So it means if one chooses to attack and other chooses to defend, then the one who is attacking will get what? He will get +3 points, and the one who is defending would get what? He would get -2 points. He is losing 2 points. So these are only 3 combinations possible in any match. Either both will attack, either both will defend, or one will attack and other will defend. So if both attack, both will get -1 points. If both defend, both will get +1 points. And if one attacks and another person defends, the person who is attacking will get +3 points and other would get -2 points. So this is about the points here. Now let us go forward and look at the clues. The clue says Arun finished the tournament with 3 points and Dev finished the tournament with -4 points. Okay. Also, each player's final score was different. Okay, fine. No player chose the same strategy in all 3 of their matches. What does it mean? Every player is playing 3 matches, right? And 1 match per round. No one chooses same strategy. It means in all the 3 rounds, no one will attack, or no one will defend. So it can be 2 attacks, 1 defense, or 1 defense, 2 attacks. But all 3 matches cannot be attack for that person, or all 3 matches for that person cannot be, defend. Okay. In round 2, attack was chosen only once. What does it mean? It means in round 2 there were 2 matches and attack strategy was chosen only once. So it means that defend should be there in one match, and in another match what should be there? Attack and defend should be there. In that case only attack will be chosen one time, and other 3 times defend and defend will be chosen. Okay. Barun's score at the end of round 1 was negative. Fine. But at the end of rounds 2 and 3, he finished with a positive total score. What does it mean? It means that after the first round, if we calculate Barun's score, it was negative. After the second round, Barun's total score will be round 1 score plus round 2 score. Total score was positive. Similarly, after round 3, his total score was again positive. It means round 1 plus round 2 plus round 3 score of Barun was positive. That's what clue 3 means. And fourth clue, in round 1 C played against D. Okay, that's what we know. This is the only direct clue I would say here. So let us say in round 1 this match was C comma D. Now every player is playing only one match per round. So first match should be what? It should be between A and B. Now A will play in every round, B will play in every round, similarly C will play in every round. Let us say A is playing here also and A is playing here also. Now B has already played with A. So who can play with A in round 2? Either C or either D. So what I will do is that I will take D there. Why would I take D there? Because I know D's total point are -4. So I can do something about round 2. So let us say D is playing here with A. So in round 3 C will play. What will be this match here? AD have already played. So B and C will be there. And here we will have B and D. Now this is our assumed case. Let us say this is case 1. In case 1 what is happening? In round 2 D is playing with A, whereas in round 3 C is playing with A. We will assume other case also in which in round 2 C is playing with A and in round 3 D is playing with A. But let us go forward and see. It was given A had +3 points. Now how can A get +3? A can get +3 points combining 3 rounds in only one way. How? A gets +3, then in some other round he gets +1 and in another round he gets -1. By only this combination A can get overall score of +3. Now you can ask, sir, why not +1 +1 +1? Because if he has +1 +1 +1, it means he has chosen to defend in all of 3 rounds. But what was given? It was given that no player chose the same strategy in all of 3 of their rounds. So it should be +3, +1 and -1. So +3 means it was an attack. +1 means it was an defend. And again -1 means it was attack. Similarly, D has a score of -4. So -4 and +3. How can D get -4? Only by one combination. What? In one of the round he get -2, in other he get -1 and in other he get -1. So this is the only combination by which D will get -4. Now -1 means he is attacking, again he is attacking here and he is defending here. So D is also not choosing the same strategy in all of 3 their rounds. Now let us go forward and see what can we use now. We can use Barun related clue. What was it? It was Barun's score at the end of round 1 was negative, but at the end of rounds 2 and 3 he finished with a positive total score. So for Barun's score to be negative at the end of round 1, what should it be? It can be +3 or -2. At the end of round 1, Barun's score is -2, so it can be negative. Now it can also be -1 and -1. So the match can be either -1 -1. -1 -1 means attack, both are choosing to attack, or +3 -2. It means A is choosing to attack and B is choosing to defend. In both the cases, B's score is negative. Now, if you see in this one, if B is -2, what should be B's score in this match? We want the total score of B after round 2 to be positive. Only B will get if B is +3 and C is -2. This is the only case, right? So plus 3 and minus 2. What should be the score of this match? How would we know that? We would know that by this clue. It is saying in round 2, attack was chosen only once. So what is plus 3? Plus 3 is attack. Minus 2 is defense. So here attack is already chosen once. It means other two should be defense and defense. So if both defend, what happens? Both will get plus 1 and plus 1. But if you see here, a problem has happened. What is the problem happened? In round 2, D got plus 1. But what do we know? D will get either minus 2, minus 1 or minus 1. He will never get plus 1. It means that this case is not correct. Here it cannot be plus 3 or minus 2. Then what? Then let us say it is minus 1 and minus 1. Now it is negative. Okay, B's score is negative after round 1. To make it positive after round 2, or to make the total positive after round 2, can B be plus 1? B cannot be plus 1. Why? If B is plus 1, the total score of B after round 2 will be minus 1 plus 1, which is 0. And 0 is not positive. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So again, it must be plus 3. If this is plus 3, C will be minus 2. So if plus 3 minus 2 comes here, attack will come to B. So B will attack. Other should be what? Defend. So this is plus 1 and plus 1. But again we have a problem here. What is the problem? D is again getting plus 1. It means that our assumption which we had chosen, that the second match or in round 2, D is playing against A, is wrong. It means what? A must play against C. And in round 3, A must play against D. So if A play against C, B will play against D. And here if A play against D, B will play against C. Now we have seen, if this is plus 3 minus 2 or this is minus 1 minus 1, why do we want that? Because B score should be negative after the round 1. So if this is plus 3 minus 2 or minus 1 minus 1, in both the cases, B must get plus 3 here. B must get plus 3 here and D get here minus 2. So we know this thing. Though it is plus 3 or minus 2, or though it is minus 1 or minus 1, it doesn't matter. B must get plus 3 in round 2 to make the total score of B after round 2 a positive number. If this is plus 3 minus 2, then what will be this score? This score must be plus 1 and plus 1. Why? Because plus 1 means defend, defend. Plus 3 minus 2 means attack and defend. So attack will be chosen only once, which was given in clue number 2. That in round 2, attack was chosen only once. Now if you see, D has got what? D has got minus 2. So in other matches, D must get what? D has got minus 2. So in other matches, D must get minus 1 and minus 1. And when in a match, a person get minus 1, in only case where both choose to attack. So here it should be minus 1 and here it should be minus 1. Similarly, here it should be minus 1 and here it should be minus 1. So D is getting minus 2, minus 1, minus 1, which is minus 4. Now if you see, A is getting what? A is getting plus 1, minus 1 and plus 3. So in this match, A has already got plus 1. In this match, A has already got minus 1. So in this match, A must get what? A must get plus 3. Then only A's score will be what? A's score will be 3. So plus 3 plus 1 minus 1, it becomes 3. Now what can be B and C's score? It was given that Barun's score at the end of round 3 was also positive. So total score of Barun at the end of round 3 was positive. Let us see what is Baron's score after round 2. It is -2 plus 3, which is what? 1. Total score after round 2 is 1. So here, can B get -1? No. If B get -1 here, his total score will be 1 minus 1, which is 0. But it should be positive, and again 0 is not positive. So it can be +3 -2, or it can be another case, it can be +1 or +1. So these are the two cases which can form. Now let us write down the total scores of everyone. It was given A's total score is what? 3. D's total score is what? -4. Now let us calculate B and C's score. Now B's score here is -2 plus 3 plus 3 in this first case. So it can be 3 plus 3, which is 6, -2, 4. Or it can be -2 plus 3 plus 1, which is 4 minus 2, which is 2. Similarly, for C, when B's score is 4, C will be here -2. So -2 minus 1 plus 1. So this will be -2. In other case, it will be what? -1 plus 1, 0, and +1. It will be +1. So this will be the required cases. Now let us go forward and try to answer the questions. So in first question we are asked, which of the following can be the total score of B after 3 rounds? So total score of B after 3 rounds can be either 4 or 2. So option C is the correct answer. Then which of the following can be the score of C after 3 rounds? After 3 rounds, C's score can be either -2 or 1. So option A is the correct answer. How many times was the attack strategy chosen considering all the matches? So if you see, attack was chosen here and here also attack was chosen. So attack, attack, attack. In round 1, it was chosen, let us say in round 1, it was chosen 3 times. In round 2, it was already given that attack was chosen only 1 time. In round 3, what will happen? Attack is already chosen. But in case 1, attack is chosen only once. In case 2, no attack is chosen. So in round 3, attack can be chosen in either 3 or 2 times. So let us say 3 plus 3 plus 1, which is 7, and 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6. So attack can be chosen either 6 times or 7 times. Why either 6 or 7? Because based on these two cases, we have to determine in round 3 how many times attack was chosen. Here to 2 times it was chosen. But if it is +3 minus 2, then 2 plus 1 3 times. If it is +1, then only 2 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 1 either 7 times, or 3 plus 2 plus 1 either 6 times. So either 6 or 7. Then which of the following was one of the matches played in round 3? So in round 3, AD played and BC played. So AC, no. BD, no. BC, yes. So option C is the correct answer. Then which of the following is definitely false? Okay, B chose the attack strategy in round 3. Okay, if this is +3 and -2, B is choosing the attack strategy. So this is not definitely false. B can choose attack strategy. Then C chose the defend strategy in round 3. Again, if it is +3 -2, C is choosing what? C is choosing to defend. So C can choose defend in round 3. So this is also not correct. B chose to defend in round 3. So if it is +1 and +1, then B is choosing to defend. So B can choose to defend if it is +1 and +1. So this is also not definitely false. C chose the attack strategy in round 3. In both the cases, C is defending here, C is defending here also. So C cannot choose. So it means it is definitely false. Hence, option D is the correct answer. So what is the answers? It is D, then option C, then option B, then we have A and C. A and C. So these are the answer. Now let me go forward and look how many people have given the correct answers. Okay, Mohawk has given total attack 6 or 7. Question 1 C, either 4 or 2, right? Yeah, either 4 or 2. Then option A, either -2 or 1. Yes. Okay, this is CA, sorry. Then B, C and D. Yep, correct. Mohawk, you have given all the answers very correctly. Then, okay, Pankaj is asking, sir, you take class every day? I want to join. If it is every day, please tell me. Yeah, basically we do this stream every day, Pankaj. Okay. Okay, only Mohawk has given the correct answer. Hey, hi Dev, you were there, but you got -4 points here, okay? Okay, fine. Okay guys, if you guys have any doubts regarding this set, please put them in the chat box. If you want me to explain some point again, please let me know in the chat box. Or any other doubt regarding preparation, this set, or if you have any doubt, how did I make the table? Okay, Anjali, did you understand how did I make the table? How did I approach it? How I understood each and every clue in very depth, very properly? Okay, and all of you those who have solved, please let me know the difficulty level of this set. Was it difficult for you? Was it moderate for you or easy for you? Okay, if you guys don't have any doubts, I will move forward. If you guys still have, then you can put them in the chat box. Okay, tomorrow again at 9 p.m. at the same time, we have a set based on the scheduling. I will be only taking this session. So I want all of you to join this. And for that, what you have to do for the notifications, you have to first like the stream, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then share this with your friends, whoever are preparing for CAT, so that they can also come and practice it. Also, please write down your streak. Like for example, your streak is of 3 days. So write down set 3 done. So that you will understand that you are building a streak. Daily you are, taking a small step, taking one more step towards your target of, cracking DILR in CAT. I will stay for 1 minute here so that if you guys have doubts, I will explain those. Okay, Anjali. Thanks. Okay, guys, please ask your doubts. I am here for more 2-3 minutes. If you guys have no doubts, please put in the chat box that you don't have any doubts. Okay. So tomorrow is our 10th set. So we are doing this for continuous 10 days and we will be continuing this. And I want all of you to join this so that you will build consistency. Daily you will solve one set and it will be like, really helpful for you to crack the DILR section in the mocks and CAT. This was a moderate set, I would say, AB. This was a moderate set and it would take around 13-14 minutes to solve this set. Okay, Mohawk, you should definitely join. You have given all the answers correctly and all of the sets which we are taking are the CAT level sets, so it will be definitely helpful to you. Okay, guys, I think there are, okay, Pankaj is asking, sir, VRC QA classes are held. We are planning for QA and VRC to solve it daily, but as of now we are doing for DILR. For QA, every Saturday, sir or ma'am will take the marathon. Okay. Yes, Anjali, we will be repeating this schedule again and again. We will be repeating these types of set again and again. So there will be many more sets about games and tournaments. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We will end the stream here. Okay. If you guys have any doubts, you can put them in the comment box and our team will come back and answer those doubts. Thank you so much, guys.